Hi Mike, Markovitz. We're going to go over a quick PMCS of what you do every day for your truck. First thing you're going to do is pop the hood. I always like to start on the driver's side of the truck. You always start and stop at the same point, so pick a point on the truck, start there, of your motor components. If anything's loose, hanging, etc., start with all your fluids, your coolant. You want to check your oil, check your transmission. If anything's low, add some in there. Tire, you want to make sure your tire is not rugged, it's not chunked, there's nothing missing out of it. If your hub seal's leaking, you'll notice that there'll be oil in the star pattern outside the rim. Inside, you'll check your wheel seal, there'll be oil everywhere. You'll look at your slack adjuster, your brake drums, make sure none of them. You want to make sure your mirrors, everything is stable, all your bins are closed. Come back to your back tires, same thing. Make sure they're not chopped, there's no chunks. Check your hub, make sure it's not loose, there's not oil anywhere. You're gonna take a look underneath the truck, make sure there's no fluids leaking, nothing's hanging. Your drivetrain isn't hanging loose, there's no sounds. In the back, make sure all your lights are there. Same thing, check your tires, check your hubs. Continue on to your mirrors. You wanna check your air filter, make sure it's in date, make sure that doesn't need to be changed. If you can look here, there's green and red. Red means change. You want to check your turbo, all the hoses associated with it, make sure nothing's loose, make sure your belt's not loose. And again, your hubs, your brakes, and your brake seals. At this point, we'll be checking our high beams, low beams, and turn signals. By doing so, you as a driver will get in the truck, have your ground hand or your other lineman that's with you walk around the back of the truck and one in the front of the truck, go through each turning signal, hazard, high beams, low beams. If they work, great. If not, get them replaced. Then we're going to go into the cab of the truck. At this point in the inspection, you'll want to check your service. If it needs service, your inspection. Make sure that you have your insurance, your registration, all the basics. You'll start the truck. At this point, you'll check your oil pressure, the fuel, batteries, and your air. And you'll do a quick brake check. Make sure you have air. And that would be the end of your inspection.